Hi, San. The machine is ready finally. We are testing it. Let me show you the video. Okay, so this is a dot pump filling machine. First of all, let me check the PLC touch screen. We have a temperature screen. This means we can turn on the temperature to heat the pump. Here is the heating element around the pump. We can heat it up by pressing here. Okay, we need to set up the temperature at the beginning, such as 70 Celsius, and this is the real temperature of the pump. We need to turn it on, you see, if you want to use this function. Okay. Here we have a fill output, which means it can count for us how many pieces we have made, and the collect time, it means the seconds for filling one jar. It is automatic. There is no need to adjust it. And here is the volume, 200 ml, and we need to set up the two pumps the same volume. Okay, this must be the same volume, and the interval time means the time between two filling. At the beginning, you can set it up at 2 seconds or 3 seconds. After you get familiar with this machine, you can set up at the 1 second. Okay, and this machine has manual mode and out mode. Under manual mode, you press one time, it fill one time, and under out mode, it will fill this volume and stop for this time, and fill another time for this volume. Okay, so when you receive the machine, you need to use this menu function to test if the pump is working well. You see, you can press it. Ooh. Okay, we need to use this pump 2. We have not installed tubing for pump 2. You see, it's running. Okay, so that is the menu, and we have a parameter here which we can set up the filling speed. When you fill the small jar, you need to small filling speed in case of any split out. Okay, so it is adjusted here. We can set it up at 800, so it will be more powerful. This is pump 1, this is pump 2. We need to set up the filling speed the same for two pumps. Okay, so that's for setting up the filling flow rate. Okay, that will be all for the PLC touch screen. Okay, so how can we use this machine? We need to turn the machine on, set up the parameters, and press here to co-rotation together. They can be controlled separately. If you want use only one pump, you can turn one off. Here it's turned off. Okay, so now we turn two pieces on. Okay, and we use this remote controller to start. Oh no, sorry, it press B to start filling. You see, it's working. And stop for 1 second. Oh, I'm sorry, I used this manual mode. We need to press it to out mode. Okay, start filling. Stop for 1 second and another filling. So that helps us to just hold the filling nozzle to fill automatically, and you can stop it at any time you want in case of any emergency. Okay, so that is for the filling part. So after a whole day's filling, you will need to stop the filling production. We will need to empty the nozzle and the pump in case of any wax block inside. We need to use this. We need to press this to manual mode and use this reversal function. Okay. Back pumping the wax into your container. Okay, so that will be all of this machine. If you have any questions about this machine, you can contact us anytime.